Hello everyone, this is Senora Hedrick with your Digital Citizenship Public Service announcement. What do all of these comments have in common? These comments are a result of someone like you violating their digital citizenry rights and privileges and facing consequences. You are responsible for what you put on the internet. Digital actions can have actual consequences. And with 94% of teens going online daily using a mobile device and 71% using more than one social media platform, it is incredibly important that you pause before you post. What you need to know before you use the internet are the following. You should look at your school's acceptable use policy, know what netiquette is, be aware of internet safety precautions, and the consequences for misusing technology. AUP stands for Acceptable Use Policy, and most schools have them. Basically, it's a set of rules and regulations in what a student can and cannot do with technology while on school grounds. These rules and regulations are determined by school administration. Why care about a bunch of rules? Well, if you're caught breaking the technology rules, the AUP, you could face serious consequences, not just in-school disciplinary actions, but also legal ones. The Howard County Public School Acceptable Use Policy states that students are required to sign an acceptable use agreement and therefore to comply with all the policies in that agreement, such as fair use, copyright laws, netiquette, and more. For more information, click on the link below. Netiquette. You may have heard this expression before, but not really know what it is. Netiquette is basically internet etiquette, hence the name netiquette. It has a few basic rules that every digital citizen should follow, such as refraining from personal abuse of anyone, not spamming, writing clear and succinct, remembering that your posts are public, stay on topic, don't expect others to do your homework for you, and always cite your sources. Internet safety is incredibly important. Here are some helpful tips to help you stay safe while using the internet. Check your privacy settings on all social media platforms and make them strong. Do not respond to anyone you do not know. Never give your personal information like telephone numbers or addresses. And again, pause before you post. Think about it. Would you want your future employers or university personnel to see what you post? Because they could. Consequences. Remember that your digital actions can have actual consequences, such as detention, receiving a 0 on a test or a project, losing a scholarship, losing friendships, ruining reputations, being fired from a job, expelled from school, or facing jail time. So remember, pause before you post.